This is Pat Lee, and you're listening to Math World. Now, here's the question. Can you guess that the human hands depicted of certain kinds of flowers and even some famous painting could be related mathematically? Well, if you have no idea, our question of the day from listener Lucy Work in Rhode Island will help you. Miss Work asks, I heard a lot about Fibonacci sequence lately. What exactly is it? For an answer, we contacted Professor of Mathematics, Dr. James Christ. Hello, Dr. Christ. Can you tell us a little about Fibonacci sequence to answer Miss Work's question?
Well, that's a great question, especially since the sequence is routed in so many forms and many people had no idea about it. It's really very intriguing once you aware of it. First, what is a sequence? It's a series of numbers, and in a sequence, each number is the sum of the preceding two numbers. In other words, we add two numbers together to get the next one. Let's look at the start of it. The numbers are 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. So, if we add the first two numbers, 1 and 1, we get 2, which is the third number. Then 1 and 2 equal 3, which is the fourth number. Then 2 or 3 equal 5, which is the fifth number, and so we continue.
So let's see. Each number is the sum of the previous two numbers, so the sequence can just go on and on?
Yes, that's right. And what's so amazing about it is that the sequences are routed in so many ways. It appears in a natural world. Natural forms tend to reproduce the sequence. For example, flowers, pine cones, and seashells. Look at the petals on the flowers. They are more likely to be 5 petals than 4. The spiral in the seashell also involves number of the sequence. It's not easy to see with the flowers, but the measurement of the spirals are number of the sequence. Some people even mention human hand when talking about the sequence. We have 2 hands, each of them have 5 fingers, and each finger has 3 pads separated by 2 knuckles. All of these are numbered in the sequence. Maybe it's just a coincidence or maybe not. And it's not just in the natural world, also in the art world. It appears in a lot of art. Probably the most famous is in the work of Leonardo da Vinci. You see a lot of spirals in his painting, and the spirals are the form most associated with a Fibonacci sequence. It also appears in music. What a backbeat is based on sequence. In a way, the musical pattern repeat. Now it's not clear whether backbeat is constantly or not.
Interesting. Who discovered all this?
It was discovered by a mathematician in Italy in the early 1200s. His name was Leonardo of Pisa, but he called himself Fibonacci because his father's name was Fibonacci. Anyway, he was an extraordinary mathematician. He actually introduced the decimal system to other mathematicians of the time.
So mathematicians have known about the sequence for a long time?
Yes. Now your listeners say that she heard a lot lately about the Fibonacci sequence. It seems like interesting the area kinds of comes and goes of popularity. Lately, it has been more popular. I think it's great. It's fascinating, and if it gets people interested in math and numbers, then all the better.
It is fascinating. Thank you so much, Dr. Christ.
You're welcome.